We have got a killer 69 Chevelle convertible. This has a fresh body off frame restoration. Under the hood is a ZZ502 big block crate motor with 508 horsepower. This thing is just slick as can be. Top is down. Let's go for a spin. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you can look at over 200 outstanding classic cars, all for sale, and that's where you'll find a price tag on every one of them, including this one, along with a monthly finance option. Now, probably about a dozen times in the past, I've said, oh, there's a guy local, he's legendary for his paint work, his paint jobs are awesome, everyone wants to use them. Well, guess what? This is his car. This is his own personal car. So before we even go over it, I can tell you the body and paint's going to be incredible. So let's check it out. Absolutely laser straight. I don't see a ripple. Does not have the typical cracks going on here. It fits square, flush. No ripples, no shrinkage, no bubbles, dents, no cracks. All the way down the side is arrow straight. And it goes without saying, it's a black car. It's going to show everything. And there's nothing this one's hiding. All clean, nice straight body lines. Door fits beautifully. Oh, that shuts really nicely. No rattles. Clean, straight. I mean, it is flush. That door fits spot on. He did put some sport mirrors on it. Nice, clean, super nice. SS hood is all laser beam straight. And the paint is a mirror. It's polished out like glass. No cracking, no issues. And I'm sure you probably didn't notice, but the SS stripe on the side's matte black. Kind of a cool feature, kind of different. A lot of people won't even notice it, but when you do, you're going to say, oh yeah, there it is. All of the chrome and trim, like the bezels here, the grille, bumpers, stainless moldings, all of it's been replaced. The door handles, the rubber strips here, the window seals, all been replaced. Sitting on some new torque thrust wheels, polished. They're 17-inch Extreme ZR Nitto Performance tires. Back here, the tail lights, bumper, moldings, trim, all that's been replaced. Convertible top. It's a power top. You see pictures of that on our website. That is also new. Good looking car. Let's get inside and check out some more. All right, let's see the trunk compartment. Of course, the bottom side is painted as slick as the top side. So is the jamb, the hinges. Weather strip is new. The well liner's new. Has a custom cut and bound carpet. Put some insulation underneath it just to keep the moisture out so it doesn't damage this spatter finish. It's all nice, clean metal. When you go to our website, there is a Buy It Now button. You can click the button on any car, and that just locks it in for you until you have a chance to talk to the salesman. Well, I just opened the passenger door. You could open it with your pinky. Jambs are as slick as the car. Boy, he knows how to paint. Weather strips are new. Door panels, armrest, all that's new. And maybe by now you've noticed there's power window switches. There's all new power window system. So the dash, this is all new and replaced. It has some really cool Dakota digital gauges, which I'll light up for you here as soon as I can find the right key. They do light up red. I think that's pretty cool. It has a clock in the middle. Power top switch. Heater control panel looks new. It's a retro digital stereo. Got a manual for the stereo. Everything looks really nice. Kick panel speakers. Of course, new carpet. This is the digital readout for the Sniper fuel injection. As the original console with the horseshoe shifter, but it is updated with the overdrive indicator. The seats, it's a legendary upholstery. The seats have new cushion, new upholstery, headrests, all the trim on the backs of the seats, all that looks new. Looks like an original set of seat belts in good shape. The rear seat, rear armrest, all that's redone. Now in the convertible top boot, someone cut a corner here. They're supposed to slide this little piping, supposed to slide through this rail. Once that's on there, this boot will look and fit much nicer. It's easy to do, but you gotta put the top up. I just don't have time right this second. Rosewood deluxe steering wheel looks really nice on there. A good looking interior. Windshield looks new. So this is a GM Crate 502 making 508 horsepower. It has the GM Performance aluminum heads. On top is an Edelbrock intake with the Sniper fuel injection system. Looks like a billet distributor in the back. Sniper ignition system as well. Got some nice cast aluminum valve covers. The plug wires are run neatly. Got some coated headers. All clean and tidy. Optima battery. Upgraded aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Now the front of the motor has some polished alternator brackets, polished water pump, chrome power steering, all aluminum pulleys with the serpentine belt system. Power steering all looks new. New cadmium plated brakes and master cylinder. Wiper motor looks new. Has hood insulation. Pretty clean looking motor compartment. So Caleb's going to take you for a drive and show you what a 502 can do.
All right, 69 Chevelle. I'm excited for this one. Taking her around the block, see how she drives. All the cars that we get from this customer of ours, they do pretty well, so I'm sure this one's solid. So far it feels pretty good over the bumps, got a nice acceleration. I have our Sniper kit right here, or the screen. I have it set up to show a couple different gauges on there, so you can live monitor it while you're driving. Steering feels good. This is a fresh resto, guys, 3 miles on it, so has to go through its shakedown miles, but feels very solid so far. Brakes feel really good. They're not pulling left or right. I don't feel them dragging at all. Same with the steering on it. Power steering's nice. Turn signals light up. They actually light up on the digital dash display here. I'm sure it'll cancel, but yeah, let's get her up to speed. Let's see what she's got. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, big block, baby. That sounds nice. All the way through, accelerated really smoothly, no hiccups. And we're cruising 60 miles an hour right now. I don't feel anything out of abnormal. Feels nice over the bumps. The steering feels really good on it. Nice and straight. Horn works. The lights work. I got I pre-hooked up my phone, guys. It's got the retro radio in it, so Bluetooth's connected. So that works. We got the heat on, the fan speeds, all 3 of them work, or both of them. And these are the original cable style, and they're not hard to change at all. These actually slide very easily. So, very well put together car. This thing's a beast. I love that sound. Doesn't get better than that. But there you have it, 69 Chevelle, cruising, rip on it, whatever you want to do, but she's ready for the next owner.
So the body was off the frame. Underneath this car looks like new. Everything's rebuilt or replaced with some nice upgrades as well. It has a lowered suspension. Drop spindles, springs are lowered. All the suspension is rebuilt. It's got heavier duty sway bars. Has KYB gas shocks at all four corners. I'm reading the notes on it. Dropped springs for a nice stance. All the power steering components are new. Four-wheel disc brakes have been added with drilled and slotted rotors. They're giant rotors. They're Willwood. There's 6-piston in front, 4-piston in the back. The fuel system's all replaced. The tank has an electric pump in the tank. 3-inch pipes, stainless steel exhaust with dual resonators. Pipes, Race Pro mufflers. Look up at the motor, it's still nice and clean. It has a 200 R4 transmission with a 3000 stall, so it's an overdrive trans. It's a new Mosier 12-bolt rear end with Yukon posi units, 355 gears, has strange engineering axles. All the floors are nice and clean and painted up real nice. The chassis is all taken apart and painted. So underneath the car, set up real nicely and it looks like new. So go to volocars.com. That's where you'll talk to the salesman to help answer your questions, including how do you get this bad boy to your driveway and how can you get help with some financing. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.